With Ivany chat say, you know, see the video, I play the whole thing, girl. Go back from the line. Go up on the other one. I play the whole video. Listen to the whole thing. Cause you just come and you put the 2 cents in it and you pick up for people and don't know the fucking real deal. You don't know what's going on. So just go find the video. Somebody send it to that person. I mean, you know what? Send it and or go up on my last video and hear the blood clot things them. Hear it. I wouldn't say me and Ivany was friends. I just met Ivany at the audition. Me rate Ivany and Cheese. Long time me rate them. Me rate them long time. Me see them at the audition and we click and that was that. You understand? I don't know where the fuck this issue is coming from. I'm really lost. I don't know where this issue is coming from. What me bad mind for? When I talk about this bad mind thing, what me bad mind for? Life still goes the fuck on. I'm still getting to my fucking bag. What the fuck am I bad mind about? What me bad mind for? What me bad mind for? Tell me now. What me bad mind them for? Me not do nothing to the girl. What do Ivany have that I don't have? What am I bad minding for? I don't know keep on the top of this bad mind thing. Me not have nothing against Ivany. Me rate blood clot Ivany. Me not stop tell Cheese and Ivany say me rate them. So with the blood clot me a bad mind them for. Me rate them people. That's why that's why I'm vexed on all of this shit is going on. Like what the fuck me do? What me do? I'ma try reach out to her. I tried to reach out to her. I was a grown-ass woman. I did what grown people do. I reached out to her, and she tried to create a scene on TikTok. She said, send the request. I sent the request. And I was on there for a good while. She did not accept me, and I came off that shit. You talking about internet no good. My girls... By the time you accepted that shit, ho, I was off of that shit. You took too fucking long. You sent for me, I answered, and you did not answer me. Stop lying. My internet is fine. I pay for my bills. My internet is fine. Okay? The fuck? Me first step on my life and cuss her today. Why? Why? Talk for your boss. Why? Why did I go on live and curse her today? Why? Talk for your boss. Why me go on live and cuss her today? Why? 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 Y'all really listening to Ivany, why I switch up after she get the call. I did not switch up. I was in a moving process. I spoke to Cheese couple days after, and I was on the phone with Cheese for probably like a good 5 minutes. I couldn't speak to Cheese long. Come here, I tell Cheese, I just move. I'm still unpack. I did not distance myself from her. I was moving in a fucking 6-bedroom house. How can I have my phone in my hand 24/7? I don't live around the internet. My life don't revolve around the internet. If you felt some type of way, she could have linked me. She could have sent me a text. She could have called me with an answer. Come here, as far as I know, me and Ivany not have nothing. As far as I know, me and Ivany not have nothing. I just was there with it all. We was all live. We was on live talking. I'm not even stay up on live or have a good conversation with them. Come my daughter there, and she there call me from my other phone. And every minute I put them on mute, and they look like them, they kick me out. Come there, I put them on mute. I never dare pay them the mind. So me confused. We were just on live having a conversation. You saying, how is your move? You like the house? Malas! What me do y'all? Malas! What did I do? That me a talk about. We not talk about. When I listen to everything Ivany I say and I like shall tell. You say my bad mind, you become in the ear from in a couple days. Me did I move to pussy clot. Them come on me yard and see the box them. My house full of boxes. Me tell you me did I move. How the fuck you for take up? All you had to do was reach out to me. Just like Cheesy reached out to me. That's all you had to do was reach out to me and I could have answered you. I could have explained to you. Whatever so be the case, I could have talked to you. I could have tell you what I go on. It's definitely a misunderstanding and miscommunication. But all Vani they have to do was reach out to me. I never dare to ignore her. In my head, me and Vani good. So when me I ignore her for, but she love the internet too much, Regine. That's all they have to do. I reach out to me. I'm with an answer. You come never have no problem with you. I don't know where none of this come from. But me not talk bad about Vani. Me they talk bad about her earlier because me they upset. Me not lie. Me they upset because me lost. Me lost about every blood clot thing. Me don't know what me do the girl. Me don't know what me do the girl. You hear me? Me not deserve it. Me not do the girl nothing. If me they do something, then I gotta take the blood clot cussing. Me take the cussing. Me take the trolling. Because me do something wrong. But me not do nothing. Me not do nothing. Me not do nothing to this girl. Like, that shit is crazy. I don't do nothing to this girl. And this girl go up on live and talk about me. The whole time. She talk about me. For what? In my head, me think say we're good because we was just on live a couple days before that. So me confused where all of this come from. Me really confused. You could have linked me, my girl. That's all it take. It don't have to always be about media. You could have linked me and would have answered you. I could have explained, apologize if you feel a way, whatever is the case. Me not have nothing wrong. Listen, if me wrong, me wrong. Me as a person, if me wrong, me I go own up and say me wrong. I will apologize. Me not have no problem with that. If me wrong, me wrong. Me not go wrong and think say me right. Me wrong, me wrong. I'm crying because I'm mad. I'm hurt. This shit caught me by surprise. That's why I'm crying, because I'm mad. Like, this shit is crazy. She said I didn't answer her. How I didn't answer her? What do you mean I didn't answer her? What do you mean I never answer her? In what way didn't I answer her? Because me I try, me can't show her the group chat. Them I talk about. Let me go back to this something again now. Come here, tell her I be a lie. This girl I take. The girl said me got dead in the group chat. I'ma stop talk. That's not true. That's not true. Where that? Come on. That's not true. I'm gonna show it right now. That's not true. So the group chat here, them leave it, right? This was the group chat here. They left it. Left me night. I was lost when they left it, because as you can see, I sent a voice note after, who's this? Cheesy sent a voice note, but they confused. This I mean, you know, see them over here to the side of me. So how was I dry in the group chat? How was I dry? How was I dry in this group chat? I'm conversating with them. Them I send video. I let them something to that. Me I conversate. See me, me I conversate back. Oh, them I send me the dry. I can't show you the date, them. I can't show you the date. All right, look on this. February 4th. February 3rd. February 3rd. February 3rd. February 2nd. February 1st. February 28th. See conversation, yeah? Oh, me not talk. Oh, y'all lie. See the conversation, them, yeah? See, I me this thing over here saying, no, I me this thing. And I them that, you know. Oh, me not talk. See me, yeah? See one little text there, so. See me, yeah? No conversation is going on here. No, it's just them. It's just them. It's just them and that. It's just them having that conversation. I wasn't having none. I wasn't talking. I wasn't talking. We've been talking. We've been talking in a group chat. They said I went dry and I haven't been talking to them. And that was because I had to move. I moved.